Hello, trader. Hope that you had an enjoyable trading day. So we can see that looking at gold from the lower time frame, currently showing significant trading opportunity. As FOMC coming, we can expect gold to give us suitable entry on gold. Now, first of all, let's look at bigger picture to see overall direction in the market. Looking at the monthly chart on gold, we can see that from the monthly perspective, it is a bullish market. We can see that with this monthly impulse followed by this correction, another bounce followed by deeper correction, and we see that the market is forming series of higher high and higher low in this uptrending market structure. Now this is the monthly candle. So far we can see that it was in a very strong momentum, currently in a pullback. At any point we can expect for the price to go ahead and fill that long wick at the top. Now if we look at the weekly chart on gold, we can see that from the weekly perspective, this is the weekly impulse followed by a very narrow weekly correction. Now what we see that here is the very narrow weekly candle as well. So far the price didn't move much in a narrow range, which is a sign that the bulls are active in this market. And I think that the market may try to retest the weekly low before bouncing up. And this week, as tomorrow FOMC, we might see a huge spike, and that spike could be to the upside as it is a long-term bull market after significant liquidity grab. Now if we look at the daily time frame, we can see a bit more broken and clearer picture here. Firstly, we see that from the daily, the market is maintaining series of lower high which has not been broken yet, and at the same time today's candle, we see that it's still remaining in between this previous daily high and low. We could see an inside bar on the daily. That's a sign that the market might remain in a sideway until the news, and then we could see a breakout after a deeper liquidity gap. As from the daily, it's a bull market. The market is consolidating here. Chances for a breakout to the upside is high. Now before it breaks to the upside, we might see that breakdown to grab massive liquidity. Now looking at the 1 hour chart to see how the market is evolving, we can see that from the lower time frame, here is it is forming an inverted head and shoulder and also forming long wick candle with series of higher low. Now what we can see in this zone, if you closely look at, this is the 1 hour candle also forming long wick candle at the top. We might see lower time frame sideway movement, and then we could see another drop. If we see that the price is broken this series of higher low, which is a sign of liquidity grab from this level, and this is where I will be waiting for an entry opportunity. If we see that the price has broken again, for broken this series of higher low, and then we can look for entry opportunity for this potential move to the upside on gold with a high probability trade setup. If you enjoyed this analysis, guys and girls, give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.